Alright, we're here to service this furnace. I think it does have a humidifier, if I remember correctly. General air, so I don't have a pad for this. We'll look at that in a second. What does the filter look like? Go ahead and replace it. She's got some right there. Yeah, it should have been changed whenever I was here for this. Yeah. It's just a 3-month filter and it's been 4 months. So. Alright. Last year I took that flame sensor out. I never got it back in. I'll try to avoid taking it out this time if possible. Let me get my meter.
Guess what I want?
What?
My marker.
Oh, I got it. I was using it. I was like, my marker wasn't this dull. Wait, this one's yours. That one's mine.
Even $1 in that.
Okay, I'm gonna check this about the flame sensor or the igniter. Let's see what it looks like.
They must have really babied this thing.
It's the best looking York around. I've been servicing it for a while.
It's not good.
Well,
Time for some batteries.
there we go. So, it's not looking too good. Get my leads on it. 109 ohms. That seems a little high. Check my notes here. Okay, so it should be between 20 and 50 for the White Rogers. I'm having a hard time getting anything on it. I'm getting 109. So we might have to let it start up and see if it even works. Okay, well, we'll see what it looks like when it starts up. Might be changing the igniter though. Flame sensor. Flame sensor. From what I can see, it doesn't look bad. I just know last year I regretted taking it out, but I'm going to have to take it out because I don't want to have to come back in the middle of winter because the flame sensor won't work. Oh, that's... Huh? Was I tightening it?
Originally you had it right.
have to see what kind of pad that humidifier takes and see about getting one. Oh, damn it. I'm stuck. Okay. So I hate these things.
This just.
Go with the little mini one. See if we can get it off now. Okay. This is enough with my fingers.
I should just used a clip.
Anything would have been better than this. And it's probably not even bad, which it's not. So now I'll have to suffer getting it back in. I'll go ahead and just clean it off anyways.
See if I can get it.
You are more than welcome to try. But let me try something first, because
I would take the wire.
what I did last time was I put a piece of tape on it to hold it in place. Let me see the screw though. If you can get the screw, oh,
What are you trying to do?
get that bit out of the end of it. If you can just get the screw just semi-started, you'll be in pretty good shape. That's the hard part though. Okay, I think I got it.
What made you believe?
Last year, you wouldn't believe how bad I struggled with this thing. I probably spent a good 30 minutes trying to get it on there.
Like in the comments section, if you have a better way of doing this.
I already,
Like one comment, just don't suck at your wife.
yeah, I'm already way ahead of what I did last year. Last year, I was like, I'll never do this again. Alright, so we know that's clean.
Rider's pending.
All the wires look good. I don't know why those are so loose though.
Who was here with you last year?
Just me.
Oh.
It's usually just me here. That one doesn't really want to tighten up for some reason. I don't think it's going to make a difference in it working, but
Should.
weird that it's so loose. Okay. So we will start it up. We'll take an amp draw on our inducer. We'll look at the spark igniter when it lights up and see how it looks.
I thought that was a water heater.
Huh? Oh. Alright, let me, do you know where the thermostat is? If you go. Alright, well, Zach turned it on. See how our amp draw looks on this. Full load amps. 2.6. And this is one of the ones that does not have a capacitor. Lock rotor amps, 3.13. But all of our wires look good. I've kept this thing pretty clean.
I've never seen these.
It comes in handy occasionally. It helps to have the door switch pushed in if you want it to come on. I should, yeah, so. It probably started its delay over since I did that. We'll wait again. Alright. It does not sound good. It's 2.3 amps. 2.68 is the full load amps. also got things with doors off too, so that's gonna be a little bit different. So we got the filter changed, all that looks good. I'm going to figure out how to clean the drain line out since there's not a T. And we'll open this back up. And we'll have to take this off and see what I gotta do, or this off to see what kind of pad I'll have to get her to get that working. But other than that, everything looks good. And go ahead and turn it back off so we don't roast her, because we're doing it 83 degrees outside. Alright, we turned it off. So it's cool down stage now. The fan will run for 120 seconds, which is 2 minutes. Pull down the heat exchanger.
I don't know what it is.
Here's a humidifier pad. I do not have one of these. Part number 990-13. So I'll have to pick one up. Alright, so I just marked this pad where it needs to be cut, and we'll just cut it. It should fit in there fine. Have to talk to her about this too. This should be ran in 4-inch. It's not doing a very good job at venting. That means gas is leaking out because it's getting way too hot. And we'll clean all that up with the shop vac, and should be good to go. You ready?
Like giving a haircut. Is there a disclaimer warning?
I'll add it on there.
Don't try to attempt to recreate any of these following actions. These were done by professionals.
Okay, so these eat this blade up. Okay, take that off of there. $4.
Time to go.
Well, we should put it in there. So let's see how it works.
Far as well pointed out.
Okay. Let's see. Let's see how this goes here.
I need to kind of squish it in there. this is like a tad bit wider.
I don't know. I don't think it was.
It is. It was a tad bit wider. A hair length.
I can't get these tabs to stay straight. I got one of them too, the other one doesn't want to.
I've never seen so many modified pads until today. That's what we do.
These general hair ones are hard to find. I'll get some. I'll order some. But I mean, this will work just the same as one that I would order would work. Just a little bit longer to. Yeah, it ate that up. So there's a new pad right there. I'll go put it on. Alright, so there's that. I'll get some, I got the model number off of that. I'll make sure I order a couple of those to have on the truck, or at least keep at the shop. But, so we got that back running, or to where it can be ran. It's open, this is open. I got it all cleaned up, so should be good to go for winter.